Hi, so this is a demo for Chatbot that we have developed using the Python, and the main libraries that we have used is NLTK and iKinter. And TK. I will start with the demonstration first. So in the demonstration, we have a simple command line based chatbot where you have to just run the script and you can just provide the commands how would you like to chat with it. So let's say hi, it will reply with hello. Say what is your name. So this is what my name is. Then my name is Gaurav. Okay, so I told him my name is Gaurav and he replied hello Gaurav. How are you doing today? So I am fine. Thank you. Great to hear. How can I help you? So I just this is the way how you can chat with it. So I just don't want to extend this. So I'll say exit. And this is how we can chat. So okay, I'll just explain the code at what we have did. So we have basically used two major libraries, NLTK and Keting. So in the NLTK library, as we know, the NLTK represents the natural language toolkit, which is a popular open source library for processing the natural language in Python. It's popular because it provides an easy to use interface for a wide range of tasks, including tokenization, stemming, lemmatization, parsing, and sentiment analysis. A lot of functionalities is already provided by NLTK libraries and can be easily used using those. And there are also functions for building chatbot as well. So the two functions that we have used for building the chatbot is one is chat and the second is the reflection. What the chat will do is it will take a set of pairs, inputs and outputs. It will get trained on it and return a few answers. And what the reflection will do is it will make choices and it will return back the best suitable output. Uh, that will best represent the reply by chatbot is done by the reflection. So this is the set of pairs that we have generated. So you can see these are the nested list, one list inside the another. So this is my first input that I am giving. This is a data set that we can say which is used for training. So let's say I told you my name is the user input. This is the user input, and it will reply hello the user input. How are you doing today? So that is how the input and output works. So similarly, we have lots of input and output. So this is my input, this is my output, and goes on. So the better you define this, the more better the chatbot will be. So we are calling this function. We have defined this function chatbot. When you will call this function, it will print out hi, I am chatbot. You have built and how can I help you? In this function, what we have did is we have created a class variable from the chat, which will take set pairs as an input and reflections. So as I told before, set pairs are the pairs of input and output that we are giving to the model chatbot and are expecting from it. And the reflection is the best selection from the output given by the chatbot. And this is the main function where we are calling out the chatbot and we are starting the conversation. In second part, this was the first part that I explained. So this was all about building a chatbot. Second part that I will be talking about is about the UI that we are currently working on. So the UI part will be represented into three parts. The first part is as follows. So as we told before, we are using Ktinker for this purpose of building the GUIs. So we have imported a lot of classes from it. So the first is TK class, which is basically used for creating the root of the desktop application. So we have set the geometry of the desktop application 300 cross 500. So basically 300 will be the height and 500 will be the width. We have defined a scroll bar and we have packed the scroll bar in the right side and it can be scrolled on the y-axis. And we also added a list box, and just for demonstration purpose we have added a number of lines into the text box list box. We have packed the list box on the left side, and it fills both the areas, basically x and y axis. So equally divided among both. Then we have scroll bars. Then this was the first desktop application. Then this is the second application where we have iterated a lot of like hundred of the number of times. And in the third one, we have created a UI for chatbots. Basically, we can visualize a user chat. We can visualize a bot chat. So that is what the modifications are. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.